In this video, I will guide you how you can make a high converting landing page on Wix. So first of all, if you haven't signed up for the Wix, click on get started on the top right and sign up with your email and password, or you can continue with Google or with Facebook. Now once you have signed up, the next step will going to be choosing which type of website do you want. So you just need to select whatever category your business lies in. You will also have the option of subcategory. Then click on the continue and this will gonna prepare our dashboard, which will gonna take few seconds. After the loading is completed, this will gonna ask us to name our store. So you need to name it according to your brand and click on the continue button. Then you just need to select whether you already have an online store or not. So simply select it accordingly and click on the continue. Then what kind of product are you selling, whether it's like a digital product, ebooks, printable, or digital album, or it's just a physical product. Or in case you are drop shipping, so you just need to select it accordingly. Then you just need to select online store and then click on the continue button. Then click on continue to dashboard, and we have successfully set up the basics thing. But on the left side we have all kind of analytics, inbox, customer and leads, our application, our sales, our home section. But for now, in order to design or create a high converting landing page, you just need to click on the design side on the top right corner of your screen, and then this will gonna ask us either we want to go with AI or we can simply customize a pre-existing template. Now I recommend you to go with a template, but if you have a design that is not on the template, or if you have something else in your mind, I recommend you to go with the AI. Then after that, click on the pick a template, and then what you need to do is to click on the search icon on the top right and simply search for landing pages. So after searching for the landing pages, this will gonna show us a lot of different kind of landing pages, but again make sure that you need to select according to your particular product. Let's say if you have kind of like a real estate business, you can simply go with it. Otherwise, if you have just products, you just need to select product landing page. So click on the view to view how it will gonna look like, or if you are comfortable with it, click on the edit button. So after that, you just need to make sure that you are on editor.wix. By default, this will gonna take you here, and it's kind of like not that much overwhelming because all the options are minimal. And on your left side, as you can see, add elements, section, our pages and menus, our overall site design including our color scheme, our media or customer managing system, all kind of options in the left side. Otherwise, click on the preview button in order to see how this will gonna look like. So as you can see, we have our product page just like this, a very unique and engaging product page with these little animations. So in my opinion, it is very engaging. As you can see, if you want to totally replace these images, you need to make sure every image is a PNG. So let's start by editing. So click on the back to editor on the top right corner, and then in order to change the images, you just need to click on it one time, and as you can see, you just need to click on the change image. Now after you click on the change image, you need to make sure that you have a PNG file. So if you have a PNG file already, click on upload media, click on upload from computer, and then you just gonna need to select your particular PNG. So as for now, I don't have any related PNG, so I am just using a random dice image. So you have other options like crop and edit if you want to not include the background, but for now, as we don't have any background, we don't need to worry about, and click on choose image. Now as you can see, it has automatically applied a little bit of shadow on it, which is a good thing again. Now in order to change your text, click on or double click on your text, and you have option of styling, just like you can select accordingly, and you have fonts that you can select accordingly or your particular product. After that, you can also change the color of it by clicking on it and changing it to whatever suiting it best, and then you just need to scroll down a little bit and we have our image options. Again, you can change it by clicking on the image and click on the change background. This is kind of like background because this page is, or this section is in the column. So click on the image and you can then change it. So if I click on the any one of these images, which is media from Wix, so let's just select anyone. Let's say I want to go with this one, and click on the change background, and this will gonna load up something like that. Again, make sure to choose the image that is suiting your color scheme. Do not select the image that is not matching with your color scheme. If I scroll down, I have again a PNG, which is again I can change by clicking on change image and selecting according to my product page. Then if I scroll down again, we have bunch of images, which again you need to make sure that you have the product which is matching this kind of like scenario. So at the bottom of our page we have again another image, we have our feature of that particular product, and we have buy now button in each of these section, which is very convenient for the customer. Let's say a customer stop right here and he don't want to go further, they can simply click on buy now button. Now if I scroll down again, we have bunch of images and we have the footer on the bottom of our screen, which is again you can change accordingly, and you can also add the link by clicking on it, and you can place your particular website or any social media that is mentioned. You can simply enter your particular link. So that's the way of how you can make high converting landing page on Wix.